The presenter introduces a tiny science concert showing how sound travels through solids using a bright red Slinky. The experiment lays a long, tidy row of the Slinky on a table as the presenter gently bounces one end, sending a clear wave traveling along the coil. The scene emphasizes that softer taps yield gentler waves, while louder taps produce sharper waves, and the audience hears the different pitches echo along the spring. The presenter then moves a hand to the middle of the Slinky, illustrating how shortening or lengthening the vibrating portion changes the tone. The takeaway invites young viewers to try with different toys and explore which creations sound most musical.